Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shubham Academy. In this video we are going to see 3D printing technology in construction industry, so let's begin.
Shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
Here is the ultimate guide of 3D printing in construction. We will tell you more about the benefits of 3D printing for the construction industry, and we will see what are the different technologies developed in order to revolutionize this sector. Is 3D printing the future of construction? Can it really become an alternative to traditional construction techniques in the future? That's also what we are going to see. You will find some information about the first experiments of 3D printed houses or 3D printed buildings, but more importantly, we will see how additive manufacturing could be helpful for you and your projects. Benefits of 3D printing for construction. Now that you know a little about how it's done, let's discuss why we do it. One might think we have good technologies for building different structures. We make stable houses, apartments, and offices. Is there still room for improvement? Oh yes. Rebuilding whole cities after a natural disaster, giving shelter to homeless people, and generally building more sustainable habitats, those are only a few problems that 3D printing can help with. Fast production. 3D printing in the construction industry means greatly reduced production time. That's because the machines themselves are very fast. Some of them are capable of manufacturing 600 to 800 square foot, 55 to 75 square meter, home in just 24 hours. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? 3D printers are also fully automated, which eliminates human error. The machine just needs to be monitored, but most of the production process doesn't involve any human help. Also, 3D printers don't use additional tooling. They have the construction programmed and they just produce it. There is no need for additional support, different materials, and other aspects to keep in mind that traditional methods. Almost zero material waste. The main advantage of using 3D printing in the construction industry is saving a lot of production costs on material waste. That's because a 3D printer, such as robotic arms, uses exactly the amount of material they need. Producing buildings layer by layer and with lattice structures inside allows for a huge cost reduction. Not only that, but they are also capable of using recycled materials. This factor also benefits the environment. 3D printing has a much smaller impact than traditional ways of manufacturing. An Italian company called Wasp took 3D printing into a great development and designed one of the largest 3D printers in the world, capable of producing homes out of local materials and using green energy, hydro, wind, or solar power. This means much smaller emission, which is a big problem in today's construction industry. Last year we talked about the first family to move into a 3D printed house. The house in question was produced in Nantes, France, and is called the Wynova project. It took only 54 hours to print the house, and the overall cost was about 20% cheaper than building a traditional house. Additive manufacturing can really help to build a better future for the construction industry. Cost effectiveness of 3D printing in the construction industry. As mentioned above, using additive manufacturing allows for less material usage and involves fewer people to work on construction. 3D printing is also a much faster technology. Those factors radically reduce the costs of building any 3D printed construction. While 3D printing structures, we use just the amount of material we need, therefore we are eco-friendly and save money. This aspect can really bring the costs down. 3D technologies also reduce supply costs. We can also save a lot of time. 3D printers don't need to eat or sleep. Their working hours are more adjustable and they are a lot faster than people. Innovative design. The last, but just as important benefit of using 3D printing in the construction industry, is all the innovative solutions it brings. 3D technologies can improve your project planning as they can be used already at the design stage. Starting from CAD plans of the buildings, which are technical drawings with all the parameters. Based on those drawings, a 3D model of the construction can be made to meet the client's expectations and show them the best design solutions. Addressing the client's issues and presenting the right answers to their questions is crucial. Additive manufacturing helps here. As we just mentioned with 3D technologies, you can present your clients with 3D visualizations of the structure, but that 3D model can be 3D printed. As you can see, there are plenty of benefits to using 3D printing in the construction industry, and the companies using it already are very successful. 3D technologies help to manage the whole production process, from the early stages of the project to produce it. Structures are being 3D printed at a fraction of the regular cost and time. They are much more eco-friendly thanks to almost zero material waste. But besides these incredible experiments pushing the boundaries of the technology, you can access some amazing technologies such as SLS to create your next architectural models and rethink the way you develop your mock-ups and construction projects. Innovations that additive manufacturing bring are available not only in the construction industry, but you can also improve your production today, with us. We offer you different 3D printing technologies, from plastic 3D printing to resin 3D printing and metal. Don't wait for your competitors to do it, bring this cutting-edge technology to your business today.